Where's Tommy?
And his legs are like kicking. He's like, where are my feet?
Where's Tommy? Ah, boo. Where's Tommy now? Boo. Boo. I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying. So much fun. So much fun. You like your new toy, Papo? Yes?
Yes. I think so.
You want to jump? Yes. Can you touch the ground? Yes.
Make it a little bit higher. I mean, a little bit lower. He's still, see, he's on his tippy toes.
That's how it's supposed to be.
No, but he should, his feet should be able to touch the floor so that he can kick off with all of his foot. Instead of just his toes. What if he hurts his toe?
Oh, his foot.
But it's different. He's not gonna hurt his foot. Because all his weight's not gonna go on his foot. Like, it's not gonna hurt his foot if it goes on. He's like dancing.
With the little tender fingers.
This is so good. I'm so glad we bought this.